Before we dive to .NET and start creating constraints, let's fix one thing. So add here and e at level p level equal 0. So we should pin only points on our trunk, and our trunk has a p level 0 here. Let's isolate our level 0 and level 1. So let's create a blast node and add level equals 0. Delete not selected. So it's our level 0. And create like this out level 0. So now we have our first object. Let's create level 1 and switch to level 1. So now we have level 0 and level 1, and let's name it L0, and it's already here. Should be, yeah, so here it's our level 0. Let's copy and change here level 1, create a merge node, and we have our level 0 and level 1. Let's create constraint between them. So choose here level 1, and we know that on the level 1 there is a group ends, so we will use this group to first point of constraint. And now we should load here, choose level 0 and load all these points from here. All these points should be here. We can save all these points to the group, but it will be a lot of groups, and there is little easy method. Let's isolate our ends here. So we have only root points, and there is our npt, and create a point triangle. And type next. So what the idea? So we create a string attribute, because here it's a string attribute. So we create a string attribute and save all these points to this string attribute. Let's create as at constraints equal empty string, and we need to make loops through all these points for integer pt equals 0, pt less than n points, and pt increment. And we need to take this point number, integer ptn equal point 0, and pt our pt, and say add it to this string. So as at constraint plus our space plus ito, so it's the integer to the string conversion, because the point number is integer, but we need a string, and we save to here. And now all these points, all npt, save to the string attribute here. And let's copy it. Level 1 constraint. And here we will use a points that's pointing to our constraint. Take a point 0 and the attributes number constraint. And what we have all these points number, so it should automatically connect. Let's see. Yeah, so now it's connected. Let's organize it a little bit better. So let we add the next level. So this would be level 2, and here level 2 constraints. So need to duplicate this object, change for level 2. Let's see. Should be level 1, level 2. Interesting. Okay, it's duplicate. Yeah, I need to change for level 2 here. Okay, so it's next level. Let's copy this, change for 2, and here for 1, here for 2. Let's see. Yeah. So now we have our basic tree setup, but it's absolutely not procedural. And if you switch here new tree with different levels, you need to manually recreate all this stuff. So in next video I will show how to avoid this.